The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for South Central Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, North Central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:43 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 7 miles east of Gudo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near rural southeastern Avoyelles Parish at 2 a.m., rural northeastern St. Landry Parish at 2 a.m. National Weather Service radar indicated a tornado may form at any time. Take cover now. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles. Move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor away from windows. Tornadoes at night are extremely dangerous. Do not wait until you see or hear the tornado. It may be too late. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to local law enforcement for relay to the National Weather Service. Repeating. A tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for the following parishes: Avoyelles and St. Landry Parish, central Louisiana.